Hey everyone, I'm gonna show you how to sign in into QuillBot. So to start, open the app first, or you can go to any browser and search for QuillBot. Now once you're here, click your profile icon at the top right and tap on login or sign up. So if you don't have an account yet, go ahead and click on sign up. But if you already have an account, just click on login, or you can sign in with these social media. You can continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple. So I'm gonna click continue with Google. So here just answer some questions. Most of my writing is for, so just choose one and click on next. What do you plan to use QuillBot for? So check the box right here and click on next. So where do you mainly write? Please select all that apply and click on next. Now once done, you can also add QuillBot to Chrome, but you can do that later and click on skip. Click on skip. And that's basically it. So that's how you can sign in into QuillBot. And now you can go ahead and use it just like usual. Now, if you want to turn the background into dark, just click on your profile and click on dark mode right here. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.